Ah, it's beautiful to drive. Hey, Matty. Matthew, come on, get a wriggle on. Ladies.
Yeah, come by, boy. Come by, boy. Round the side. Round the side. Good boy, get in there. Get in there, boy. Good boy.
Seriously.
Looks like it's gonna be a wet one, Janice. Good for the crops. You want a beetroot?
Let us take care of the farming. The Aussie Farmer's Direct Dinner Box comes complete with simple recipes and all the fresh Aussie ingredients you'll need to make delicious dinners the whole family will love.
Well done.
So order now for free home delivery at aussiefarmers.com.au.